The adipose tissues or fat is the most important organ for energy storage, not just in dairy cows but also in different mammals, like including us, humans. We're focused on the process of lipolysis in the adipose tissues. So studying lipolysis is very important for dairy cows because when this lipolysis is excessive, it predisposes the cows to different diseases during the postpartum period. So we are trying to understand those mechanisms behind this lipolysis to control them and then mitigate the different conditions of different diseases that are occurring during the postpartum period. I have the opportunity to do both in vivo research and in vitro research. In the in vivo part, we are working with commercial dairy farms here, but also with the dairy farm that is owned by Michigan State University. We collect samples from animals that are suffering some of those diseases, and we bring those samples here to the lab to make genomic and proteomic analysis, trying to understand those processes of excessive lipolysis. I choose the CMIB program essentially for two reasons. The first one was because this is a really unique program in terms of it tries to translate all the advances in biology into the prevention and treatment of human and animal diseases, and it's a really cool integrative view in the concept of One Health. The second reason is because this program has a really great coursework, research and mentoring that I think is just great for my professional development. I really encourage people to come here because first, MSU is a top research university in the world, and second, because not just the quality of the research that we are doing here, there are a lot of researchers working hard to solve global challenges today. And also I encourage people to come here because this is a community open for international students, for diverse people in different areas. So those values of inclusion and equality are really present in our community.